BISP Solution is a tech company that provides technical solutions across the world. I working as a Netsuite functional consultant, and today we will be taking topic make deposits. So today we will be covering meaning of making deposits, features of making deposits, benefits, path for navigating through making deposit, and scenario based on making deposits. So first of all, we will be taking meaning of the deposits we make in NetSuite application. So in NetSuite, making deposits refers to the process of recording money received from customers, other entities, or any other income sources into our bank account. So this step is very crucial for accurate cash flow statement and management and financial reporting for our organization. Coming to our next topic, which is features of making deposits. So it offers a centralized deposit management. It's a automatic matching feature of NetSuite application. It also holds multiple payments type in NetSuite application. Also, it provides us the bank account selection in NetSuite application, and also it provides us detailed reports about the deposits which have come in our organization from different bank accounts. Coming to our next topic, which is benefits. So it always provides us accurate financial reporting through correct entries, and also it provides a simplified reconciliation of transactions in NetSuite application. Then it provides us with reduced errors. Also, it is very time saving because we don't have to do any manual work in this part, and also it also enhances cash flow management where we can see where the cash goes out and comes in. Okay, so let's suppose we are running a small business and we have received payments from three customers, like 1,000 rupees from A customer, the 500 rupees from customer B, and 300 rupees from customer C. As our current test environment is having base currency of USD, which is dollars, so we are taking amount as of $1,000, $500, and $3,300. So if we want to deposit these amounts in our bank account, so let's navigate it through NetSuite application. So this is what our NetSuite applications look like. Then if we want to make deposits in bank account, so we have to go to transactions, then bank account. Under bank account, you will be getting make deposit option. You can just have to click here, and you will be redirected to deposit page of NetSuite application. Here you can see if you want to like deposit any amount. So here you can see checking amount is checking account is there. Then checking SBI account, checking SBI account, HDFC Bank account is also there. Payroll account, petty cash, land and savings. So if we want to make a deposit from our savings account, the amount is nil here. If we want to like do a from checking, here you can see the currency is USA because the base currency is USA, which I told earlier also. Then we will be selecting department as India Marketing. Class, Let's say training class tools, location, Midwest, we will be taking, or we don't have to take because it is not mandatory field to be completed. Then we will be taking deposits. So here you can see on 21st August, customer type is customer deposit number one, and from anonymous customer parent company USA, amount is 6,000. And when we check this particular box, then we will be saving the same. Then we will be getting a confirmation that our transaction successfully saved, and with the internal ID as 4. If we want to see the activity of deposit, so we can click on this particular option and we can see it from here. If we want to go to register, so we can just click on this part, and you can see as of 30th August 2024, undeposited funds with deposit number 4 with $6,000 is there. Or if we want to see the GL impact, which is general ledger impact, so checking is $6,000 and undeposited funds is $6,000 also. And debit and credit is mentioned over here, and the name of the parent company is also provided to us. So to recap what we have discussed: firstly, meaning of making deposits, features, benefits, path for navigating through make deposits, and scenario based on make deposits. So by understanding how to effectively and efficiently manage check payments in NetSuite, we can streamline our financial reporting and operation and maintain accurate accounting records, which is crucial for overall health of our organization. So thank you for watching, and I hope you found this information helpful. See you in the next video.